stay tuned and let us move to our next segment, the informative session. तो दोस्तों, आपसे कुछ छुपा है नहीं। हम सभी को पता है कि आजकल का समय कितना ज्यादा मुश्किल हो रहा है। हम कहीं जा नहीं सकते, हम किसी दोस्तों से मिल नहीं सकते, पर इन सब के बावजूद आप आपके ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स को बड़े ही बेखूबी से निभा रहे हो। With very good efforts, you are keeping up with your online classes and you're not letting your studies hamper anywhere, which is really grateful, friends. So, and हम आपके लिए ताली बजाते हैं for keeping up with your studies and your online lectures. And you kids are the rock stars in all true sense. तो इसी चीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन भरा वीडियो। तो इसमें हम सीखेंगे कुछ ऐसी चीजें, हमें मिलेंगे कुछ ऐसे टिप्स जो हमें हमारी लाइफ को थोड़ा और आसान बनाने में बहुत मदद करने वाली है। तो क्या होगा ये चीजें, चलो जानने के लिए चलते हैं। We have Dr. Nandini, MD Pediatrics, with us sharing this beautiful tips and very important and needed information. So let us all hear it out from Dr. Nandini herself. So stay tuned, watch the video, and make sure whatever you do, do to your best. Can we have the video, please?
Hello children, I am Dr. Nandini Sarkar Shinde, MD Pediatrician in Mumbai. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here to talk to you about how to look after your well-being during these times. You know, times are unlike anything we could ever have imagined, and I can understand how difficult it must be for you. You're not going out, not meeting your friends, your schools are shut. But today, let's focus on the things that you can do and you must do under these circumstances to stay positive and to look after your wellness. Now, when we talk about wellness, it is not only physical health but also mental and emotional well-being. And you must follow certain things to look after your wellness. First and foremost, eat healthy and sleep well. I cannot emphasize enough on how important these two things are. As far as your diet is concerned, children, you are growing rapidly at this age, and your diet must include all the nutrients that are required for your adequate growth. To put it simply, if you look at your plate, about half of it should be covered with fruits and vegetables, 1/4 with a source of carbohydrates like rice, roti, pasta, noodles, and remaining 1/4 with a protein source like fish, eggs, meat, pulses and legumes. In addition, you also must consume a portion of dairy for your bones and teeth. Now let us talk a little about how to take the online classes in your stride. Online classes are the new normal. Although your schools are shut, your teachers have risen to the occasion to make sure that your education is not paused during these times. I am going to give you a few tips on how to manage the online classes efficiently. Firstly, prepare for the class beforehand. Complete your assignments. Set up your table and chair at a well-illuminated, quiet place where there is no disturbance from the others. Take a bath before the class so that you are fresh and alert. Eat a proper breakfast. Wear a proper attire. Log in on time. Check your internet and camera beforehand. Do a test run if required. You may change the place after a few days to break the monotony. Once you have logged in, introduce yourself. Be courteous to your teacher and peers. Stay involved in the class. Ask questions. Clear your doubts. During the breaks in between the periods, walk around a bit, stretch a little, eat some snack, and don't forget to drink lots of water. Finally, I will show you some simple stretching exercises that you can do in between your periods. Starting with your neck, bend it to one side like so and come back to the center. Now the other side, bend and come back. Do each movement 5 times. Then rotate your head on one side first, a complete rotation and come back. The other side, rotate and come back. Do each movement 5 times again. Coming to your shoulders, rotate clockwise. Do every movement 5 times, though I am doing only thrice, and anti-clockwise. Then your arms clockwise and anti-clockwise. Next, to stretch your torso, reach behind, hold the back of your chair, stretch and come back. Similarly on the other side, reach behind, grab the chair, stretch and come back. Finally, to stretch your knees, just extend them in front in a slow kicking movement and bring it back. Do each side 5 times.
How cool and relaxing was that? भाई मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया स्ट्रेच करने में एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि आप भी घर बैठे बैठे स्ट्रेचिंग कर रहे थे, एक्सरसाइज कर रहे थे और जो भी टिप्स ईटिंग हैबिट्स के बारे में डॉक्टर नंदिनी ने हमारे साथ शेयर किया, आपने किया होगा नोट या फिर रखा होगा या ahead and especially in this current challenging times. तो pretty sure कि आपने इनको निभाया होगा सही तरीके से. So thank you so much Dr. Nandini for such helpful tips. और उसी के साथ अगर फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और आपको ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट और नीडेड हेल्पफुल लगा तो क्यों ना आप भी थैंक यू बोलते डॉक्टर को. So you can open the chat box and say thank you doctor for sharing. You can simply type down thank you doctor so that you can pass on your warm gratitude towards Dr. Nandini. Well done Wendell, Deepa, Shrishi, Dhruv, Vritika, Bhumika, Prachi, Aradhya, Ayush, Samarth, Arav, Niyati, Moksha, amazing. Thank you so much. You kids are really kind and generous. All right, तो मैंने कहा था कि इसके बाद होगा ढेर सारा fun. So we are back into action to make you laugh out loud even one more time and yet another time. So friends, क्या आप सभी तैयार हो हमारे अगले वीडियो को रिसीव करने के लिए?